Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the NCUE 6-piece silicone utensil set for kitchen utensils. This is a product that I actually recently purchased from Amazon as a replacement for my usual cooking utensils in the kitchen. Previously I've had like cheap plastic ones that would melt and kind of like fray whenever you used it, which is kind of gross and disgusting. And so I decided to pick up a silicone set instead, just because silicone's better for the environment, better for your overall health as far as cooking. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll just unbox this, show you what it looks like, take it out of the packaging, and kind of just give a general review. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is going to be a 6-piece silicone utensil set that you use for kitchen cooking that I recently purchased from Amazon for $18.99. It's actually going to be from this brand NCUE, so you can check out the links below to directly go to the link on Amazon. But they're going to have 3 separate color patterns. One's going to be a black color, another's going to be a khaki, which is this color, as well as a white color. All of them are going to be similar design where it's going to be encompass a silicone kind of utensil aspect as well as a wooden handle. What we'll do now is we'll just get this open out of the box and give you a sense of what it looks like. The reason why I got this is I've had cheap kind of plastic utensils as well as bamboo utensils for quite some time, and the plastic was just getting kind of worn and frayed over time and quite disgusting, to be honest. So I wanted to upgrade to silicone, and so this is the utensils. They all come in this plastic packaging. What I'll do real quick is I'll take these out and we'll look at each of the utensils one by one. Okay, so here are all 6 utensils out of the packaging. All of them are going to encompass a silicone kind of utensil portion as well as this wooden kind of like bamboo handle. Each of the bamboo handles are very nice. Basically, it's a solid piece of wood with a loop in case you want to either put this on a hook in your kitchen if you have that kind of setup, or if you want to put some sort of like lanyard to hang that off that way. The color is a little bit different for a couple of them. So a couple of them are this darker wooden pattern. These 2 are a little bit lighter, and these are going to be similar. So there's a little bit of variation with that, which is maybe in the manufacturing process or the type of wood. As far as the design, this is going to be their khaki color. So as I stated, they have this khaki color. They also have a white, and then they also have a black. I ended up going with the khaki color because I felt the white would just become discolored and darkened over time, so it'd probably show more wear, and then the black combined with the wood just didn't look as nice, but this is what the khaki looks like. As far as the utensils themselves, basically it's a solid kind of silicone design. This is going to be your typical spatula that you can use for baking purposes. So in a bowl you can use this to kind of scoop out whatever you have in a bowl. It's a solid kind of rigid design, a little bit of flexibility on the edge there. This is going to be just a solid kind of wooden, or not wooden spoon, silicone spoon, pretty sturdy, a little bit flexible, but nothing too crazy there. This is going to be a scoop or whisk for like pasta, for scooping out from that. Then they've got a slotted spatula here. This spatula is a little bit thicker than your traditional spatula, but it should serve the purpose. It's got some flexibility on the end here, so you should be able to slide underneath things. For me personally, I actually use the Our Place non-stick ceramic pan. So this silicone is nice because it won't scrape non-stick or ceramic surfaces compared to like a metal or harder material. So the silicone with this will be nice for that surface because this spatula should slide easily under whatever you're cooking without kind of scraping the surface, as well as with the non-stick surface it should slide really easily. So that spatula is that one. And then very similar, they've got a non-slotted one that's a little bit wider, no slots in it, sturdy as well. It's got a little bit of flexibility on the end here. And then lastly, they've got a ladle with a little scoop. This is a little bit more flexible as compared to this spoon, so it's basically flexible on the edges here, silicone design, and then it's got a little kind of scoop here that you can pour out. As far as the design, I've got no complaints. It's a nice setup. It offers all the different varieties that you really need for a basic kitchen utensil set. I believe they do make a larger set with more utensils. When I looked at the variety of options on Amazon, it was kind of overwhelming, but I narrowed it down to this just because it seemed like a basic quick set without having to spend too much money for all these excess accessories. But hopefully this is a video that's helpful. I'll try to use these over the upcoming months and such to kind of give, and then I'll circle back and give feedback if I run into any issues. But this is going to be the NCUE, so NCUE Silicone Utensil Set. You can currently get this on Amazon for $18.99. They've got a black, this khaki color, and a white color. Definitely check out the link below. If you have questions, comments, post them below. But thanks for watching and have a great night.